Traditional healthcare can be expensive and frustrating. At Craft Concierge, our membership options provide transparent, affordable pricing with solutions tailored to your health needs.
Truly personalized healthcare at Craft Concierge is something that you can't get anywhere else. We're able to take your case on an individual basis and find exactly what you need.
You should choose to sign up for Craft Concierge because we deserve quality care. It's a price point that is affordable. I appreciate that about them. There's multiple plans for each situation.
So Craft Concierge has 3 tiers of memberships, and we did that very intentionally. We have patients here that are 22 years old, we have patients here that are 80 years old, and everyone's coming in for a different purpose, but at the same time, what people want is quick access to their physician, a physician that actually cares about them. They want to get services they want when they want it, and ultimately it creates better health outcomes for that individual.
Choose the plan that aligns with your health goals and experience personalized care tailored to you. Our core membership provides a personalized wellness plan with same-day or next-day appointments, convenient in-office procedures, and unlimited messaging with your provider. It's perfect for those seeking attentive care without the hassle of insurance complications or hidden fees. Vitality is our most popular membership option. With it, you receive all the benefits of core plus state-of-the-art diagnostic imaging, including X-rays, CT scans, ultrasounds, and MRIs. Additionally, enjoy quarterly physician consultations and an annual comprehensive heart health assessment to proactively manage your well-being. For those desiring the most comprehensive care, our longevity membership is our most proactive approach to managing your health before problems arise. It includes everything in Vitality, along with a full panel of preventative health screenings and unlimited physician-ordered diagnostic scans, including a full-body CT and whole-body MRI. You'll also receive 1 specialty test every year. Ranging from genetic analyses to hormone evaluations, this additional testing provides deeper insights into your health, empowering you to achieve optimal wellness.
The on-site lab work, that's a very convenient factor. And then also having the on-site access to other diagnostic screening, including MRIs, is very helpful. As with anything, this is an investment in your health and your well-being. And you can pick and choose from those tiers of what really fits your needs or what suits your needs.
Getting started is simple. First, fill out a patient form so we can learn more about you. Next, make an appointment, and within 24 hours, we'll schedule an introduction to map out your long-term care. After your first appointment, you'll receive a personalized treatment plan for lifelong health.
It's important at Craft that we develop a really strong relationship with you. And so our very first visit, we will have a very comprehensive intake. We want to know everything about you. Not only your health, but everything including your hobbies, your diet, information about your family, because the best way to take care of you is to understand all of you. But what's most important to me is that you understand what we're doing every step of the way and that we can customize the plan to make sure that we start your journey the best way possible.
You'll be able to develop a lasting relationship with your doctor. That has been incredibly supportive and wonderful for me.
This model that we offer of direct primary care is going to become what people want and expect. And once again, when you do the math, it's also the best way to spend your healthcare dollars.
No more long wait times, no rushed visits, no confusing medical bills. At Craft Concierge, appointments start on time, and you always have direct access to a doctor who truly knows you. Take control of your health today. Visit craftconcierge.com to sign up and experience the future of healthcare.